Hello, and welcome to another edition of Let's Talk Crypto. My name is Dave, and as always, I will be your host. Tonight I want to go over some news that is going on in the cryptocurrency world. First thing I always like to do is start by going to my coinmarketcap.com and always checking the market cap. I like to have a good idea of what's going on. Seems that we have a 24-hour volume of around $24 billion and a market cap of $518 billion. We're getting to see some green finally after a sea of red today. It looked like there was a few things that affected the news overnight, but it is good to see that we are seeing some greens. Let's have a look here. Yeah, in the last hour we got some green. We all love to see green. All right, moving right along. NEM Foundation, stolen coin check funds not sent to exchanges. So apparently last week there was 58 billion yen worth of XEM tokens stolen. So the 58 billion yen worth of XEM tokens are on the move, according to the NEM Foundation, but no attempt to sell them on exchanges has been made as of Wednesday. Some 500 million XEM were stolen from a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange last week, and they still really haven't figured out what's going on. I don't think they have the suspects, if you will. I'm not sure that they have a handle on this. But anyways, you can read the whole article. I'll leave the link in the description below. But yeah, that's something that we heard about last week. Moving on, though, here's some good news finally for Bitcoin. Square, the app for your iPhone and Android, I'm not sure, the payment processor for your iPhone and Android, adds Bitcoin buying for more Cash App users. So digital payment company Square is rolling out the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin to more users of its popular Cash App. The company announced today that following news last year, it was testing the feature with a limited number of users. The option is being expanded further. So that is great news. Obviously, the more people we can get access to buying cryptocurrency, the more that's going to make the market grow. I find one of the problems nowadays, I find one of the hardest things with cryptocurrency, especially for beginners, it's very hard to purchase cryptocurrency. There's not a lot of places. I mean, Coinbase obviously is one of them. I believe CoinSquare is another one. And I believe I've said Quadriga in the past is another place that I've used. But it is really hard to get into buying and selling Bitcoin or Ethereum or any kind of altcoins because it is pretty difficult still for the average person to just go to their bank and buy it. In fact, usually the banks try and persuade you against it. But I'm sure that won't be for very long. So we're in the right place, fellas. Fellas, sorry, I don't mean to refer to you as fellas. I know there's probably some girls and ladies out there too in the cryptocurrency space. We welcome everybody, of course. Hey, the more the merrier. So on to Venezuela's president announcing that the Petro token pre-sale. So apparently Nicolas Maduro, the president of Venezuela, has said the pre-sale of the country's proposed cryptocurrency, the Petro, will launch next month. Signing the Petro white paper on Tuesday, Maduro stated that the initial sale of the token will commence on February 20th. President Maduro also revealed that the plans are being drawn up to use the Petro, which is backed by commodity reserves, including oil, with a national ID card possessed by millions of Venezuelans. So I guess this is a good sign for cryptocurrencies that we're now going to be backed by oil. Oil is black gold, remember. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, yes, yeah. Facebook, we all heard the news that Facebook banned cryptocurrency or is banning anything to do. What does it say again here? Let's see. Blockchain. Facebook, the company encourages the users to help the police and community by reporting content that violates the new rules. So that's just a whole lot of junk. Last week he was talking about that he wanted to get involved with cryptocurrencies and maybe use it as a form of payment on Facebook. I don't understand. 1 week he's in, 1 week he's out. Who knows? Maybe it's just a bunch of FUD. Italian economy minister blasts crypto market for bad behavior. Yes, I've read a little bit about this. Apparently he's not too happy with the instability of the market, and he believes that it can be manipulated and so forth. But, you know, I'm sure he owns some Bitcoin. Formerly top cryptocurrency exchange Huobi to open office in the U.S. Well, there's some more good news. You know, the more, like I said, the more people that can get to cryptocurrency, the more the market is going to grow, obviously. I mean, this is not rocket science, people. And basically, what else we got here? That's the same article. So I just wanted to touch on a few different things. The news we're going to bring to you twice a day is basically as much as we possibly can report on something new in the cryptocurrency world or in the cryptocurrency market. We're going to do our best to bring it to you. Again, we really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. We are new here. We are just growing in the YouTube world. We haven't exactly figured all the bells and whistles yet, but I assure you we will get better with time. And the more subscribers, the better. So again, like and subscribe. Smash up the likes. Thank you very much. We'll talk soon.